So now that I've extended the timeline, all I need to do now is figure out at what point on the timeline do I want another image to appear. Well, let's have another image appear at frame 20. I'll select that frame, and in order to make another image appear at frame 20 to create our slideshow, I need to turn this frame into what's called a keyframe, again a frame that represents a significant change. To do that, I'll go over to my Timelines panel and click on the Flyout menu and choose Add Keyframe. By adding a keyframe to frame 20, I've now turned that frame into a keyframe, making it ready for a significant change. Now all I need to do is access my Property Inspector. So let's bring the Property Inspector here to the center of our screen. And we're going to change what's called the image's source, the source file of the image we want to display on keyframe 20. We'll click the source folder icon and we'll go find the image that we want to work with. The image that I want to work with is this photograph right here. Now keep in mind, when you work with the Dreamweaver timeline, all you can really do is add keyframes and make the images appear to change over time. Therefore, every image that you bring in on your timeline needs to be the same width and height dimension. Otherwise, Dreamweaver will size down the subsequent images to fit within the dimensions of your original graphic. Now, whenever you bring in an image from an outside source, Dreamweaver is going to ask you if you want to copy that file to your defined website images folder. I always say yes, it's a good idea to do this. So we're going to go ahead and save the image, so now it's a physical part of our website. And you'll also notice that if we put our mouse on frame 1 and we move the playhead to frame 20, we now have our simplest form of movement in Dreamweaver, a slideshow.